Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. So guys, today we are having a question that is A, B and C scored 581 runs such that 4 times A's run are equal to 5 times B's run and B's run are equal to 7 times C's run. And then determine the difference between A's run and C's run. So guys, here we have just to find out the difference between A's run and C's run. But before starting, we have to find the runs scored by each individual. Here A, B and C. But before starting its solution, it is requested to you, please subscribe our channel, like it and please share it. So here we are having the total runs are, that is 581 scored by A, B and C. And here in the question it is saying that such that 4 times A's run, that is 4 times A's run is equal to 5 times B's run. So 5 times B's run and B's runs are equal to, so this is B's run and B's runs are equal to, that is 7 times C's run. So we have here just to find out the ratios of A, B and C. So for this we have a very interesting method to solve out the ratio. How to take out the ratio? It is very simple. So for this we just hide the portion of A, and for that, so this is A's. This is, here we are determining the ratio for A. So A is equal to, that is, if we take 5 multiplied by 7. So here 5 multiplied by 7. We have just add A to find out A, and that becomes, that is 35. And for B we just hide B, and 4 multiplied by 7, that is 4 multiplied by 7, that becomes 28. And for C we hide the portion of C, and 4 multiplied by 5, we get here 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. So I hope you have understood till here. So this becomes 35A for A is equal to 28 of B. 28B is equal to 20 of C. 20 of C. So I hope till here you have understood the question. So here we get the ratios. We got the ratio for A, B and C, and that is 35 ratio 28 ratio 20. So I hope you have understood it till here. So to find out the score that has been scored by individual, so for this let X be the run scored by A, B and C. I hope till here you have understood it very carefully. So this becomes 35x plus 28x plus 20x is equal to, so what are the total runs scored by 3? That is 580 1. So this is 581. So if we plus all these three, we get 35 plus 28 plus 20, we get the answer 83x is equal to 581. So hope you have understood it till here. So we get the value of x, that is 581 upon 83. So this comes under the 581. So 581 divided by 83, we get the answer, that is x is equal to 7. So this is the value of x. So I hope till here you have understood the question. So in the question, if you see that determine the difference between A's run and C's run. So here we have just to find out A's and C's run. So here we get, that is A's run. So how much A's? That is in the ratio, that is 35. So 35x we get. So what we get? 35 multiplied by 7. So 7 is the value of x, just we have find out. So this becomes 245. And for C's run, that is in the ratio 20. So 20x, that becomes 20 multiplied by 7 is equal to 140. So these are the score by A and C. So now we have to find the difference between A's and C's score. So their differences are, that is A's runs minus C's run. So here this is the difference. We get A's run, we have find out, that is 245 minus, and for C 140. So we get the answer, that is 105. So this is our answer, and this is also the difference between A and C's run. So I hope you have understood the question. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel, like it, and do share it. So thank you very much.